What's up everyone, it's FredEasy21. What's going on? Today we're going to be trying Meguiar's heavy duty headlight restoration kit from NAPA. Let's open this up. So what we need is masking tape, water in a spray bottle, and a microfiber towel. So here is our microfiber towel. Okay, so here's our hand applicator. Plastic X. Headlight coating. Here we go. 1,000 and then 3,000. Look at that. Attach a 1,000 zip to the hand pad. One more round. We're gonna switch to from the 1,000 to the 3,000. Go at it. Try to stay in one stroke. You can either go up and down or side. So next up. Whoa, it actually works. Look at that. That is way better. I say. Not this guy, it's a glassy boy. Kind of like a gluey material. From the top. Alright. So we're gonna wipe it off with the other material right here. Here is our finished product. Look at the difference in this one. Phenomenal. Watch, check this out. Here's the other one. Kind of gray. Kind of gray. So that's that side. And this side. Look at that. Holy. Here we are. The beautiful new restored headlights by Meguiar's heavy duty headlight restoration kit. That is awesome. Thank you NAPA for sending me this to review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty easy and I'll definitely be doing this again.